Are you ready to transform your weight loss journey while enjoying mouthwatering meals that nourish your body and soul? Imagine having your week planned with vibrant, delicious, and healthy vegan meals, all without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or someone chasing fitness goals, these meal prep ideas are designed to save you time, boost your energy, and help you feel absolutely amazing. Stick with me because I'm not just sharing recipes, I'm giving you a complete game plan to shed weight while savoring every bite. Ready to dive in? Let's make healthy eating irresistible. Going vegan doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or struggling to stay full. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Plant-based eating offers endless possibilities for delicious meals that are packed with nutrients, high in fiber, and naturally lower in calories. These meal prep ideas are perfect for anyone looking to manage their weight while feeling satisfied and energized all day long. From protein-packed bowls to sweet treats that curb your cravings, I've got it all covered. Let's jump into our first idea. Meal prep idea 1, colorful quinoa Buddha bowls. First up, we have the colorful quinoa Buddha bowl. This is not your average salad, it's a power-packed meal that's as nutritious as it is beautiful. Start with a base of fluffy quinoa, a complete plant protein that keeps you full and helps build lean muscle. Add roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and a rainbow of fresh veggies like cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and shredded carrots. Top it all off with a creamy tahini lemon dressing that's both tangy and satisfying. Prep these bowls in advance, and when hunger strikes, you'll have a vibrant, filling meal ready to go. Bonus, the colors alone will lift your mood. Meal prep idea 2, protein-packed lentil curry. Who says weight loss meals can't be hearty and comforting? Enter the protein-packed lentil curry. Lentils are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, perfect for keeping your hunger at bay while supporting your weight loss goals. Simmer red lentils with coconut milk, diced tomatoes, and fragrant spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Portion this curry into containers with a side of steamed broccoli or brown rice. It reheats like a dream and tastes even better the next day, making it an ideal meal prep staple. Meal prep idea 3, zucchini noodle stir-fry. Next, let's lighten things up with a zucchini noodle stir-fry. Swap out carb-heavy pasta for spiralized zucchini, a low-calorie alternative that's packed with vitamins. Sauté the noodles with tofu or tempeh, snap peas, and bell peppers, and toss everything in a homemade ginger soy sauce. It's quick, satisfying, and feels like a treat without the guilt. Plus, this dish is perfect for those days when you crave something light yet flavorful. Meal prep idea 4, overnight oats with a twist. Breakfast lovers, this one's for you. Overnight oats with a twist are the perfect grab-and-go meal for busy mornings. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a dash of maple syrup in jars. For added variety, prep different flavors like blueberry almond, chocolate banana, or apple cinnamon. Each jar is rich in fiber and protein, keeping you full until lunchtime. The best part? You can make an entire week's worth in just 10 minutes. Meal prep idea 5, veggie packed spring rolls. Who doesn't love a meal that feels like a treat? Veggie packed spring rolls are not only fun to make but also perfect for weight loss. Wrap crisp veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and red cabbage in rice paper along with some baked tofu or avocado. Pair them with a side of spicy peanut dipping sauce for extra flavor. These rolls are refreshing, low-calorie, and surprisingly filling, making them a must-try. Meal prep idea 6, sweet potato and black bean tacos. For taco night, we're keeping it healthy and delicious with sweet potato and black bean tacos. Roast cubed sweet potatoes with smoky paprika and cumin, then pair them with black beans for a protein boost. Serve in whole-grain tortillas or lettuce wraps and top with fresh salsa, avocado slices, and a squeeze of lime. These tacos are perfect for meal prepping. You can store all the ingredients separately and assemble them fresh in minutes. Meal prep idea 7, creamy avocado pasta salad. Craving something creamy? This avocado pasta salad is a weight loss friendly twist on a classic comfort food. Blend ripe avocados with lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of olive oil to create a velvety dressing. Toss it with whole grain pasta, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. This dish is rich, satisfying, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Meal prep idea 8, spicy chickpea stew. Get ready for some cozy vibes with the spicy chickpea stew. This one-pot wonder combines chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and kale in a rich, spiced broth. Add smoked paprika, chili flakes, and a hint of cinnamon for a unique flavor profile. Serve with a side of quinoa or enjoy it on its own. This stew freezes beautifully, so you can always have a warm, comforting meal on hand. Meal prep idea 9. Green power smoothies. Smoothies aren't just for breakfast, they make great snacks or even light meals. Prep freezer packs for green power smoothies with spinach, frozen mango, bananas, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. When you're ready to enjoy, just blend with almond milk or water. These smoothies are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and perfect for keeping your energy levels high. Meal prep idea 10. Guilt-free chocolate energy bites. Last but not least, satisfy your sweet tooth with guilt-free chocolate energy bites. These no-bake treats are made with oats, almond butter, cacao powder, and a touch of maple syrup. Roll them into bite-sized balls and store them in the fridge for a quick, healthy snack. They're rich in flavor, high in fiber, and the perfect way to keep cravings at bay. And there you have it, 10 irresistible vegan meal prep ideas that are not only delicious but also designed to help you shed weight and feel incredible. Remember, weight loss isn't about deprivation, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients while enjoying every bite. These meals prove that eating healthy can be exciting, satisfying, and easy to maintain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tips and meal ideas. Which recipe are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy prepping, and here's to a healthier, happier you.